Clear the deck there. Heavy lift coming through.
Extra! Read all about it. The Evening Journal. Get your paper here.
Heave-ho! Move those barrels to the storehouse. Watch the tide, lads! These axes and trinkets are a fair exchange for the land.
We agree. The transaction is complete.
Heave! Ho! Pull together now! Watch the timbers! To the left, quickly now! Steady, steady! Another barrel coming down! Heave-ho! Pull the lines tight! Watch the wind, lads!
These terms are most unfavorable, Captain. Nevertheless, they are the Crown's final offer. See that the crates are tallied correctly against the manifest.
Aye, Master. The count is true.
The quality of this linen is superb, Master.
Aye, but the price is steep. I'll give you 40 guilders for the lot. Watch where you're rolling that barrel.
Finest silks from the Indies, madam. A fair price for such quality.
How much for the Delftware?
2 shillings for the pot, sir. Finest silks from the Indies, madam. A fair price for such quality.
How much for the Delftware?
2 shillings for the pot, sir.
Huzzah! Long live George Washington! Huzzah! God save the United States!
Fresh catch, madam. Finest quality. Your price is too high, Master. I'll give you half that. Get your hot chestnuts here, fresh off the coals.
Hot soup, penny a bowl. Get it while it's hot.
Watch out, he's coming!
Mind the bucket, sir. Move, lads! Lift it high! Watch the line! Steady now!
Cold morning, ain't it?
Aye, reckon we'll be here a while yet.
Read the Evening World. Big disaster. Paper! Get your paper here! All right, lift her up. Watch the ropes there. Heave-ho! Keep it steady now.
What a marvelous turnout today. The park is simply vibrant.
Yes, truly a jewel of the city.
Look at the way these stones are joined. It's nothing like the colonial era stuff.
Definitely predate the Dutch. We need to expand the grid here.
This crimson wool is exquisite.
Aye, the finest weave in the colonies. 20 shillings a yard.
20 shillings. I'll give you 10.
Heave-ho, lads. Watch the main line. Clear the way, coming through.
Extra! Extra! Read all about it. Get your evening world here.
Make way! Clear the street! Make way! Clear the street!
Hard day down by the docks, but the evening light is sweet.
Aye, and the children's laughter makes it sweeter still.
I got it. Look how clear the sign is.
Oh, wow, that's perfect. Send it to me.